Hello everyone, JK Origami here, and today I'm going to be doing another origami tips video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut an A4 printer paper without scissors. And also, I will be showing you how to cut a square into a regular pentagon. So, to start, I'll show you how we make a square out of the A4 paper. You can do this with any rectangle, so any size, no matter what, as long as you have 90-degree angles. So, to start, we're going to align this edge over here, this edge, with the very top like this. So just align. And remember, when you're doing this, it's always the shorter edge. The shorter edge align with the longer edge, this, and you can kind of pinch the corner and make it really precise. Okay, something like that. And then crease all the way through. Crease sharply. Okay, so then it looks something like that. So now, you need to unfold, and to make this a lot easier, you're going to rotate the paper 180 degrees, and now repeat with this edge. So this edge to the top like this. So align it, make a pinch, okay, and then you can, okay, there we go, make a crease. Make sure it's pretty precise. Okay, so there. Once you have your two creases, you can already see it looks similar to a square. So now we're going to, I like to flip the paper over so the creases are mountain folds, but if you prefer to have valley folds, that's fine. And then I'll zoom in a little bit. So we're going to make a crease from this point to that point. So the way we can do this is we fold one of the creases kind of like that, and then fold it up, make a pinch, so right over there at the corner, right where it meets. So you can just pinch, unfold the flap, and then repeat with the other flap. So, okay. Then you can unfold. Now we have two pinch marks. So now you can make a crease connecting the two. And crease very sharply. So okay, now if you flip the paper over with this flap still folded, we have a square. So now I'm going to show you how to take this flap off without scissors. So crease sharply, really sharply, then unfold, flip the model over like this, and fold right along that crease again, and it should go pretty easily, and then crease really sharply again. And flip it over again and repeat. And the more times you do this, the better, because the better the crease will be. And then once you're done, you should have a really sharp crease through there. So much so that it should want to bend on its own almost. But once you have that, and it's really strong, you're going to rotate the paper kind of like this. And I'll zoom in a little bit more. Now, right at the top here, where the crease meets the edge, you make a little tear right along it, so something like that. So you see, I just broke the edge a little bit. And then you can kind of make the crease a mountain fold and put it on the ground. And now you're kind of just going to use your hands and slowly pull the paper apart like this in a V. And just keep pulling and pulling gently, slowly. There we go. Keep going. Okay. And then we have this little strip. And we can put that off to the side. And now we have our square. So, yeah, looks like that. so now I'm going to show you how to turn this into a regular pentagon. So to do that, we have to, it doesn't actually matter how you start, but you're going to fold the paper in half. Okay, crease. And then what you're going to do is you need to make diagonal by aligning this edge with this edge. Now since I was doing that paper step, I'm just going to recrease because I already have the creases. But you can recrease, but you only really need to pinch in the middle. Then you need to take this edge, or you could do both, and align them with the bottom edge. And then you just have to pinch the center where it hits this crease. Unfold. Now you should have a marked point right there in the center. So now what you're going to do is we can rotate the paper like this so that we have the two edges here at the bottom. And now what we do is we're going to take this point up there and bring it, we need to have it so that the closed edge is at the bottom. And we're going to take this point here and align it with that. So, like this. Then we take this edge right there and fold back to this crease, like this. And then once we have that, looks something like that. And then now what you have to do is you need to fold this edge over to here. Sorry, you have to flip the model over, and see right there you have this crease. It needs to be a mountain fold, so instead of doing it that way, you're just going to align this edge with the crease. It's a lot easier. See, because what I was trying to show you to do is you fold it over like this, but you have a greater chance of it sliding. So the best way to do it is back here, like that. And then lastly, fold this edge to here and align it. And there we go, pretty sharply. And now we should have only these two creases on the edges, like that. So now flip it over so you have this small crease over there. And now all we have to do to make it ready to cut into a pentagon is we have to fold right along this crease backward. So just like this. Like that. So you see I have a crease there. There's quite a few layers, so it might be a bit difficult. But once you do that, you can just crease. And then now if I unfold, we follow that crease. There's a pentagon here, 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 there. So it looks something like that. And then you can cut around it and you have your pentagon. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and especially if you're beginning origami. If there are any more tips you want me to give, you can leave it in the comments down below and I'll see what I can do. I already have a few more videos like this I plan to put out. And also, can you give me your feedback in the comments below? Like, do you like it? Do you want me to stop doing these videos? Or do you think they're helpful? So, yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please click on the like button. And you can subscribe to my channel for more tips like this and cool creations. Thank you for watching and enjoy.